Assalamu alaikum guys. Thanks to welcome back on my YouTube channel. This is me Amna. Now I am coming with a new topic, supply chain and pharma industries. Let's move on the introduction. Outline. Introduction. Seven fundamentals of pharmaceutical supply chain. How does the pharmaceutical supply chain work? The vital players to the pharmaceutical supply chain network. Tablet manufacturing by supply chain. Top pharmaceutical supply chain challenges. Solution. Conclusion. क्या हुआ? Let's start with the introduction. Very fragmented and complex framework. Multi-billion dollars industry with global presence, very competitive. Patient safety is important, thus require the high regulation, testing and tracking by FDA. There's a huge topic on DRAB. If you are considering in Pakistan, then regulatory issues are dealing by DRABs. So we will talk on it. I'll make another slide to talk about DRAB. 7 fundamentals of the pharmaceutical supply chain. Principle 1. Identify the different kind of customer. Principle 2. Develop and customize a logistic network. Principle 3. Check the pulse of the market and current demand trends. Principle 4. As the product moves down the supply chain, the more the regulation change. Principle 5. Manage your outsourcing carefully, avoiding too many components of the supply chain in-house. Principle 6. Adapt the IT and e-commerce to monitor the SG. Principle 7. Measure the performance of the supply chain. How does the pharmaceutical supply chain work? There are 5 steps. Pharmaceutical originate in manufacturing sites, are transferred to wholesale distributors, stock at retail, mail orders, other type of pharmacies, subject to price negotiation and processed through quality and utilization management screens by pharmacy benefit management companies, dispensed by pharmacies, ultimately delivered to or taken by the patient. Players of the pharmaceutical supply chain network: manufacturer, wholesale, distributor, pharmacies and PBMs. PBMs are pharmacy benefit. Let's check out this table. Tablet manufacturing by supply chain. There is a supply chain in manufacturing of tablets. So you can see when a company a local regulatory plus marketing department, okay, contract to the company B, local contract manufacturing, and company C, MNC, multinational company, providing raw to company B for manufacturing a tablet manufacturing. Then 5, warehouse distributor take manufacturing units from warehouse and transfer it to retailers, pharmacy. C, consumers like patient and hospital, and from pharmacy and hospital the consumer take these medicines. So there is a process of supply chain in manufacturing. Pharmaceutical supply chain challenges. There's a huge challenge when you are working on supply chain: lack of coordination, inventory management, absence demand information, order management, temperature control, shipment visibility, supply shortage, tender for national supplies, and epidemics overall. As we are talking about COVID, like it's an epidemic condition, so you need to manage a demand for the public. Like in pandemic, demand will increase. After challenges, there is a solution. Time phase demand. Take demand for the product, determine when it is needed. These become demand for previous process. Production. If current demand plus desired safety stock minus current inventory is positive, production increase. Negative, do not produce. Stop your production. Charge inventories. Reduce raw material inventory. Start production. Let's move on to conclusion. Tailored and formulated to the level that meet the company's need. Supply chain characterized as fits each phase. A good formulation of supply chain lead to organizational success. A focus on network and become more responsive to changing demand. Reduce cost and improve efficacy. Quality management technique to reduce both waste and cost. Local factors remain critical in extended supply chain. Improve inventory management efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos on supply chain on these above topic, so please subscribe my channel and do comments for more videos.